Hi, I just want to go over this new book I'm currently writing, which should be available at the end of June 2023. I decided to write this book because I went through a transition period of 6 years when I retired from the IT industry and wanted to do something a bit different, try and make money 24/7. Now, you're probably thinking, oh yeah, we see these every day on every day, these videos being touted. But I actually went through the pain of 6 years of trying different solutions, trying to make money. And I'll be quite frank with you, it would have been easier to keep in the IT industry. But, you know, if you don't step out of your comfort zone, you won't make any serious money. So what I did, I went through all the last 6 years and went through the various options I tried to make money and document the process, the pitfalls, the pluses. And I eventually came up with, over a period of 6 years, 5 good money-making suggestions. Some are passive 24/7, some you have to do work. But the ones that you have to do work every day is better than working for somebody else. Now, I start off with the first how to make money option, and then they gradually get harder and harder. And what you find is when the road to entry to market is harder, then you've got more chance of winning. I think most people understand that. Most people who try to make money take the easy route. So the book explains all about that. The book, again, will be available at the end of June. It's competitively priced. I'm going to sell it on eBay first to see the traction I get. I know this industry is saturated. I know there are a few good books out there explaining how to make money, but there is a lot of rubbish out there as well with wild claims. My book is different. It is actually experiences over 6 years, and a lot of hard work and a lot of mistakes financially, and a lot of time wasted, 7 days a week. When people say, "Oh, you can start making money 1 hour a day," it's utter rubbish. And also, I've noticed when new technology comes out, I'll give you an example of this, AI. There's always these new products coming out to make money on AI, £2,000 a day. It's absolute rubbish. So just to let you know, the book will be available end of June. I'll put a link down to the eBay where you can buy the eBay link where you can buy it. Thank you. It's just a short video, so have a great day. Thank you.